Hey guys, I have another video for you today. Today we're going to make this really cute square canvas with light up stars. So if you have a canvas lying around and you have some really cool little lights, you can totally make this. It is so easy. If not, you can find all the things at Michael's. So let's get started. So I'm using a white canvas here and I have painted another canvas black. I just used acrylic paint. And I'm going to use a silver Sharpie to create a design. It's up to you what kind of design you want to make. Next, we're going to be using a razor blade. You can use scissors. Please be very careful with this. And we're going to cut little holes to fit our little stars. And so you want to kind of check and look and see how big they are, how wide they are. Because you want to cut little slits that are wide enough to fit them through. And I've marked out everywhere that I want to make a light through. You want to do that to make sure that you have enough lights to go over the whole board and so that you're not messing up your words on the other side. You don't want to cut through any words. And so now I'm just going to pop my stars through those little slits, and you can secure them in place by taping them down. Masking tape doesn't really work on canvas, so I suggest you use duct tape. I'm using clear packaging tape to hold them in place on the back. Just popping them through and sliding them down, pulling them tight. And then I also taped the battery pack on the back so that it wouldn't keep popping off. And it just looks so cute. I love this design. I have so many ideas for some more design. Here it is on the wall. I love it. Thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I made my adorable square canvas. This took less than an hour. It took about 20 minutes after the paint dried. So cute, so easy, and my girls love it too. They make me turn it on every night. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I have tons of craft ideas and fun things to do when you're bored.